Good morning friends, myself Dr. Ashish Panchal from Trisha Institute of Biology. Today we will discuss the nitrogen metabolism and the nitrogen cycle. Okay, we all know that the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, these are the most important element of the living organisms. But apart from this, the nitrogen is also the important element and it is the most prevalent element for the various component of our body like protein, hormones, vitamin and the nucleic acid. Okay, plant actually in atmosphere around 78% nitrogen is present, but the plant cannot able to absorb this nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. Okay, this nitrogen is fixed into the soil and then the plant absorb the nitrogen from the soil. Okay, that the fixation of nitrogen in the soil, the process is known as the nitrogen fixation. Okay, and the plant compete with the microbes. Plant always compete with the microbes for the limited nitrogen available in the soil. That's why the nitrogen, it's a limited nutrients in the soil. Nitrogen is the limited nutrients in the soil. Actually, the nitrogen available in the atmosphere in a form of N2, that is two nitrogen atoms are joined together with the help of the three strong covalent bond. Okay, the three nitrogen atoms are joined with the help of the two nitrogen atoms are joined with the help of the three covalent bond. Okay, this nitrogen is converted into ammonia and that process is known as the nitrogen fixation. Clear? Now, there are different ways by which the nitrogen fix into the soil. One is the atmospheric fixation of the nitrogen. So in atmospheric fixation of nitrogen, the nitrogen is react with the oxygen in presence of UV light and with the help of lightning, it form the NO, and this nitrous oxides is react with the water and it form the NO2 minus and NO3 minus, that is nitrite and the nitrate. Now this nitrite and nitrate react with the water and it form HNO2 and HNO3. This HNO3 and HNO3 is fall on the soil in a form of the acid rain. The another way by which the nitrous oxide formed in the atmosphere by automobile exhaust. Second, that is the industrial combustions. Third one is the power generating station. These are the other source of the nitrous oxides formed on the atmosphere. Now, the decomposition of the dead organisms convert into ammonia, that process is known as the ammonification. So, the nitrogen fixed into the ammonia by biological fixation, by industrial fixation, by electrical fixation. Okay, and this process of decomposition of the dead organisms with the help of bacteria, fungi, convert into the ammonia, that process is known as the ammonification. Then nitrification. In nitrification, this ammonia convert into the NO2 minus and the NO3 minus with the help of the nitrosomonas and the nitrobacter bacteria. For an example, like ammonia react with the oxygen and in presence of the nitrosomonas or the nitrococcus bacteria, it is converted into the NO2 minus, that is nitrite. This nitrite in presence of oxygen with the help of the nitrobacter bacteria, it is converted into nitrate. So that process of formation of the NO2 and NO3 minus, it is known as the nitrification. Now again, this nitrite and nitrate convert into the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of the process known as the denitrification, and with the help of denitrification, the NO3 minus convert into NO with the help of the two main bacteria, that is Pseudomonas and the Thiobacillus. Okay, let us describe in a chart, that is atmospheric nitrogen fixed into the soil with the help of biological fixation, industrial fixation and electrical fixation. This ammonia convert into the NO2 minus and NO3 minus with the help of the nitrosomonas and nitrococcus bacteria. This NO2 minus convert into NO3 minus with the help of the nitrobacter bacteria. This NO3 minus is uptake by the plant, means plant getting the NO3 minus from the soil, and from this plant the nitrogen is enter into the animal. When the plant and animal gets dead, on the dead organisms with the help of detritus, the dead organisms again fix the nitrogen into the atmosphere, and some amount of nitrogen is leach out in the soil. That process is known as the ammonification. Okay, and this nitrite and nitrate again convert into the N2, the process of nitrification with the help of bacteria, that is Pseudomonas and the Thiobacillus. So this is all about the nitrogen metabolism. Now the second point we will discuss in detail the biological fixation of the nitrogen, means various bacteria and various living organisms, they fix the nitrogen into the soil. That process is known as the biological fixation of nitrogen.